Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Pabbly. I'm a business owner and I have a coaching institute. Now, I have created this Telegram group where all my team members are added. Now, as soon as a new enrollment is placed inside my coaching institute, I add the data of that student with the course in my Google Sheets. And as soon as I've done that, I want that the notification regarding that new student should be forwarded on the group, telling everyone that there is a new student, welcome them, complete their onboarding process, and everything. So I want to send a notification just like this as soon as the data is added in Google Sheets. But if I'm going to do this manually, it will be a time consuming part. So I have created this setup in order to complete this amazing process automatically. Let me show you how. I am going to enter the data of the new student in this Google Sheets. For the name, I'll write over here as Rahul Sharma. For the email address, I've written rahul.sharma@pabblytudes.com. And for the phone number, I will enter a dummy phone number right here. And for the course, I'm going to write Digital Marketing Mystery. As soon as now I've entered the details of this new student, you will see a new notification is forwarded on my Telegram group. New student enrolled, Rahul Sharma, rahul.sharma@pabblytudes.com. This is the phone number, Digital Marketing Mystery. A student has been successfully registered. Please welcome them and ensure the onboarding process begins. So you can see this notification is instantly and automatically forwarded as I've entered the data of my student in Google Sheets. So now you can also create this setup even if you're not a technical person, you don't have a degree in computer science, you don't have the knowledge of coding and programming skills, but still you can create this amazing setup without need of any computer knowledge, just using this very amazing setup that I've created with the help of the software Pabbly Connect. So without wasting any time, by the end of the video, you can also have this setup for your business. So let's move on with this video. Now to create this amazing setup, I use an automation tool. I have created like 1,000+ automations using this tool, Pabbly Connect. If you want to start using Pabbly Connect on a new tab, search for www.pabbly.com/connect and you will come to their landing page just like this. Now, if you're logging in for the first time, sign up for free from here. You will receive 100 free tasks every single month. Using the tasks, you can create the setup that I'm teaching in this video right away because they are free tasks, so you can test out the features of Pabbly Connect absolutely without paying no cost. And then like me, you can purchase their one-time plans. For my business, I purchased their one-time plans because I need to pay once and got the access of Pabbly Connect's unlimited features forever. And I have a gift for all of you if you're planning to purchase their early or one-time plans. The coupon code on the left side of my screen, the same code ANGYT, is in the description section as well, using which you will get instant and amazing discounts on the purchase. So go ahead, use the code, purchase their plan and automate the business workflows. I have already created the template for this use case using Pabbly Connect. Now, if you want this template that I'm using in this video, check out the workflow link added in the description section below. My trigger is Google Sheets near updated spreadsheet row. I want that as soon as the data is updated in my Google Sheets of a student, automatically my trigger captures the response of that is I've selected the trigger application and the event. Copy this URL to create the connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect. Log into your Google Sheets. From the panel, go to Extensions, Add-ons and Get Add-ons option. You will come to their window just like this, on which on the search apps bar, search for the application Pabbly Connect Webhooks and install the application. So let me search, Okay, so I have already installed the application. You need to install it as well. After installing, refresh the page once and then in extensions, you will see the option of Pabbly Connect Webhooks, from which under the drop down, select Initial Setup. The dialog box of Initial Setup is next going to appear in front of you, which is asking for the webhook URL and the trigger column. Now over here for the webhook URL, what we are going to do is we are going to paste the webhook URL that Pabbly Connect has provided us. So I'm going to do that. With that, next it is asking for the trigger column. In my spreadsheet, my trigger column is column D. Trigger column is the last data column where you're adding the data. So I am adding the data manually in trigger column D. So I'll select D and click on the submit button. As soon as now I've done that, it says setup configured successfully. One very last important and very mandatory step is left. That is an extensions. Pabbly Connect Webhooks, turn on the send on event. You will see a tick mark just like this. That means it's on. It's mandatory to turn that particular step on because every time you will add the new student's data in this Google Sheets, automatically Google Sheet is going to detect that new data and send it towards the trigger inside our workflow. Click on this recapture button because now we're going to test whether Google Sheets is connected to Pabbly Connect or not. So now how I'm going to test, I'm going to enter the new student details in this Google Sheets and check whether automatically my trigger captures the response of the new data been added or not. Okay, so I'm going to add in the details right here. The name is Tuti Sig. Email address is stutisig@pabblytunes.com. For the phone number, I'm going to enter a dummy phone number, and for the course, I'm going to write Web Development Bootcamp course. Okay, so now as I've entered the details, you will see automatically in Google Sheets within 5 to 10 seconds the response will be captured. stutisig@pabblytunes.com. Web Development Bootcamp with a dummy phone number. So as now the details is captured over here in the trigger, this means that Google Sheets is connected to Pabbly Connect. So now as we have the students' details, let's send the message inside our Telegram group. Now over here, for that I'm going to set up Telegram bot, send a text or reply. Click on this connect option, go to add new connection section. Now, what is going to happen? I'll explain you quick. Now what I will do is I'm going to create a Telegram bot inside my Telegram account. I'm going to connect that bot to Pabbly Connect. And then what I will do is I'm going to enter the bot. I'm going to add the bot in my academy group where all the team members are added. And as soon as the students' data will be added, that bot is going to send that notification to this particular group. Okay, so that is why first we have to create a bot inside our Telegram account and then enter the token of that bot inside this row right over here. So now let's create a new bot together. For creating the bot, on the search panel, search for bot father. Click on the start button after searching for it. And from the menu, select the new bot option. Now first we have to name the bot. For the name of the bot, I will write over here as success point bot. Okay, so this is the name of the bot. Now we have to enter the username of the bot. So I'm going to enter the username as well. So over here for the username, I've written success point one bot. So this is the name. You have to write it like this. At the end, just add underscore bot. I will send this name and you will see automatically the bot is created. Now over here as the bot is created, you will find this token. Copy this token right here. This is what Pabbly Connect is asking for, and save this step. As soon as now you have done that, automatically Telegram bot is going to be connected to Pabbly Connect. Now we have created the bot, but my objective is to send the notification in this group, and this bot that we have created is going to send the notifications. So first let's activate the bot that we have created. For that, directly go towards this link. You will come to the bot chat, start the chat from here. The bot is now activated. Now let's add this bot in my group. Now for adding the bot in the group, you don't have to do it from your computer. Simply what you need to do is you have to open your Telegram on your phone, and on your phone you have to add this bot as an admin inside your Telegram group. Okay, so this is my bot. So now what I will do is I'm going to add this bot as an admin. So yeah, add to group. I'm going to select the group, and you can see it says add to bot as an admin. So I'm going to add the bot as an admin, and you will see automatically the bot is added in the group on the screen as an admin. So as now this bot is added as an admin successfully, that you can do from your phone only. So do it from your phone. Now as this bot has been added successfully, all the steps are now completed. Now let's complete our Pabbly Connect workflow. Chat ID, where you want to send the message. So in this group, the chat ID of this group is in the URL itself next to this hash. So this is the chat ID, paste it down. Next is the text message. I want to send a message just like this to my Telegram group. So I'm going to copy it and paste it right here. But now I have to enter the details of my student in these places. Now for the data of these fields, I will map the data. Mapping is the process where you can enter the data from the previous step. Add a slash where you want to map the data. Previous step is going to appear where you will find the name of the student that you want to share as a notification. So as soon as I'm going to select the data of the name from my previous response, this particular data is clearly mapped and now dynamic. Now whenever a new response of a student will be captured in the previous step, this data will be updated in place of the mapped data. In the similar manner, I will map the data of the other details over here as well. So let me do that and complete entire message. So let's do that. So yeah, I've entered the details. This is the exact message that should be forwarded. And then I do not require any other field and I don't want to change any other field. I'll skip the part and click on the Save and Send Test Request button where I've received this OK as true. That's a positive response. And you will see on my Telegram another notification, new student enrollment, Stuti Singh, stuti.singh@pabblytudes.com with a phone number. Course as Web Development Bootcamp is been forwarded successfully. Now, as the message has been forwarded, the connection is now completed. Now, whenever you will enter the data of a new student in Google Sheets, you will find the notification of that student has been forwarded on your Telegram group. So this is how you create the connection between Google Sheets and Telegram without need of any technical, coding and programming skills using this amazing software that is Pabbly Connect. So now if you have any questions or doubts related to this setup that we have discussed right now in the video, do comment down below. I will reply to all your queries. With that, if you are planning to purchase Pabbly Connect's one-time plan or yearly plans, the code is going to get you additional discounts on top of existing ones. The code is on the left side of my screen. The same code is in the description section. So this was it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching.
Not just this connection, you can create multiple other automations using Pabbly Connect. If you want to know about the different plans that Pabbly Connect provides you, you can check out the link given over here. And if you have any queries related to it, you can email us on sales@pabbly.com. If you have any questions or doubts, comment down below and we'll reply to you as soon as possible. Subscribe to our channel and thank you so much for watching.